I try to delay as much as possible this operation, but today this fan start to spin and create a very bad sounds. So I decided to open. So I have here this, these tools. With this occasion, I have a 1 tera SSD. This alcohol, this oil for the fan. I have here is a magnetic plate to put the screw. Some tools, and here I have this to make a backup. So to transfer the inside I have an HDD 1 tera. So I'll take all the data and place it here. So what I'll do first time, I will unscrew everything. I take out all the screws, but unfortunately I saw each screw has a different length, or as a combination of 2 or 3 lengths. So I create a plane like that and I place the screw in each location so to know very well where is located. I don't have other choice now. So I take the cover out. Yeah, it's not. With a careful you can take it out very easy. So I reach the motherboard and the other parts. I found one falling screw, and after I close look I found this is from here as is open. Let's go out from here. So let's see how I can do here. To take out this part and to disconnect here, disconnect the battery and take it closely. My wish is to take out this only to open the rest, but I'm not sure. So let's see. So I have here the hard disk. Hard disk was here, so it's connected via this kind of which we have the SATA and the power connection. So I take it out, and now I will place it to the SSD. So I take out the second pair of screws. One from here, from here. I take out all these things. I take out also the battery. So now I open all the scene screw and try to take out the motherboard together with these 3 fans. So let's see, maybe I have here a little bit of connection to this small speaker. I have here this Acom. I prefer this to not open it, to not take it out. Just I will take it with all the motherboard. So I take out the full motherboard. There was everything fine. Just take it out from here and slowly out. I disconnect also the battery because it's fixed also very here. And here I have the speakers, which I will put it back. So now I will clean a little bit. I have a little bit of dust here, so the rest is looking okay. Now I see I have dust here, and dust here, and if I rotate it, I have also dust here and dust here. It was very good also to be able to put another 16 GB, but it's okay for the moment. So I take out all the screws from here and I separate the fan part to the motherboard. So now I will clean this 4 location and I will put a new path, and after that I will leave this motherboard on the other side and I will focus. I want to open. I have some small screws, some small screws, like here in the center, and I want to take out this plate now to access to fans, to have a good cleanup, and after that maybe with a little bit of oil, and let's hope everything is fine. So all the fans are cleaned, here are cleaned. So now I'll put a little bit of past here, and I will bring together. Everything is ready. So the motherboard is back in position. Any kind of connection is here. So I use this kind of paper where I plan where is each screw in order to place the screw in the right position. If you do this kind of operation very rarely, you can have the risk to forget where the screw is where. So in this case, you know very well which one should go where, like here. And we have also some different lengths. Here we have the longer and here some shorter in this area. So in this case you need to place the screw in the right position. Now I will place the battery. I will place the new SSD here, and after that I'll put the cover and everything should be finished. Everything is now ready. So I need to place only the back plate. I will fix it with the screw, and after that I will make a start to see if everything is fine. So I started again. So see here the SSD. The SSD is visible, and I connected via this rack. And that now I will try to make a backup. So everything what is here to copy it here, I will not copy everything. I plan only to copy only what is necessary. So everything is working fine. In the beginning has not started, but after that has started. I don't know what happened. Maybe because of disconnection of the battery. So now I will check if everything is fine. So here now I don't hear any sound, just a little bit of sound on the processor, which is normal. And if I run something else, I will see if this how these two fans, especially this small one from the graphic card, it will work. So in the end, this is ready. Thank you.